God is simply that which is there before everything else. Now that which is there before everything else must be the witness to whatever appears, and it must also be what appears as well, because it had to be there in order for an appearance to take form. For example, 0 equals 1, right? So 0 had to be there in order for 1 to appear. So 0 is the witness to 1. It's there before everything else. So it's the source of all numbers. 0 is the source of the number system. In the exact same way, if you want to figure out who God is and who you truly are, you have to subtract everything from existence in order to figure that out. What is there before everything else? That must be the source. Now, even if you say there is nothing there before everything else, if you subtract everything from existence, outer space, the stars, the galaxy, planet Earth, if you subtract everything, what is there, even if you say that there is nothing there, you still can't deny that it's the source, because there is still creation. So it is not nothing, but rather it's the unmanifest source. Now, this is where the confusion takes place. People talk about non-existence, but if non-existence was there before everything else, it wouldn't explain creation. So does creation come from non-existence? No, it comes from the unmanifest creator, the infinite creator. So there's no such thing as non-existence. Nobody has ever found non-existence. That which is there before everything else is not non-existence. It's the unmanifest creator, the formless creator. So that's there before everything else. You can call it the 0, or that which is. So when people say they will go into non-existence, they're talking about losing a form that they've accumulated. But you have to shift your identity. Rather than considering yourself the body and the mind, you have to know yourself as that which accumulates everything in existence, that which accumulated the body and the mind. And then you'll see that there's no birth or death for you. So you are God. In fact, it is not just you who is God. It is the trees around you. It is everything around you that is God. Everything. The grass, the trees, the sun, the air you breathe. It's all working together as well. You have 100 million brain cells and they all work together for you. So this is proof that it's all the same. Everything is made out of the same elements. The same elements that can be found in outer space can be found in our bodies as well. Hydrogen, oxygen, carbon, is found in outer space as well. All of these elements are found in outer space. We're all one with this. We're all the same existence. So understanding who God is, it's about understanding what you are not. Once you understand what you are not, you will understand that you are God and that everything, in fact, is God. This is why we should live in harmony.